Oh, hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hi. I heard my name. You said Mr. Bunny, right?
Um, yes.
Oh, yay.
Yes,
I
you
knew it. I knew
did.
it. Well, I had a question, and I hope you don't mind me asking. And I suppose you don't, since you were just saying my name, Mr.
Oh,
Bunny.
well, I would like to hear your question.
Yeah. Well, it's about my mommy bunny.
Oh,
Yeah. She was wanting to make some beads, and I
oh.
wanted to help. And I don't know. Should I? Is that something that's okay? Can Mr. Bunny help a mommy bunny make beads for Montessori?
All right, let me hear this again. So
Yeah.
your mommy bunny is making DIYing some Montessori materials,
Yeah. Yeah.
making some beads, and you, her child, also want to help her make
Yeah.
these DIY Montessori materials?
Yeah. That's right.
Well, the answer is yes,
I
of
can.
course.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, don't you have to be special to do that?
No, in fact, in our community, many of the children of the redwoods are helping their parents make the Montessori materials.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
wow.
not just something for mommies, it's
Yeah.
something for everyone.
Wow, I can't. I think that's great. Yeah, all right. I'm going to go back and tell her that I am supposed to keep helping.
That's right.
All right, bye.
Thank you, Mr. Bunny.
But Mr. Bunny does bring up a good point, as often he does, which is that
Mhm.
it's important to involve your child in the learning process.
Yes.
Don't, in fact, it's coming from them, right? You talked about that a moment ago. Like, where does the learning come from? It's not the material. It's not even really the philosophy. It's the child himself or herself, and um, you want to create an environment where that child is allowed to explore those things. And so that's where the materials and the philosophy can come into play. But the best learning, whether it's Montessori or any other philosophy, always centers on the learner. Involving the learner in the process of the learning is the most important, perhaps I would say it's the most important thing you can do. The one most important thing you could do because it gives them buy-in, it gets them excited. So if you're DIYing your materials and your child is old enough to help, and they probably are curious enough to help, let them do it. There's something they can do along the way. They'll have fun. They'll respect the materials. They'll learn something. You get quality time. It's a win-win.
Yeah, absolutely.